In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turn this simple layered Procreate drawing into an SVG cut file for Cricut. Let's get into it. Open your Procreate app to begin. Click the plus sign to create a new canvas. I chose the standard paper size 11.5 by 8.5 inches. To make this tutorial simple, I'm just going to draw an easy layered heart. Tap on the color button to change your color to black. Tap on the paintbrush to select your brush from the brush library. Make sure that the brush you choose is smooth, because if it has too much texture, Cricut is going to have a hard time cutting it out. My favorite brush is Syrup. Draw your heart and drag the color black from the color button to fill it in. Click on the eraser to erase any lines that are sticking out. Every color needs to be on a separate layer, so click on the Layers menu button and the plus sign to add a new layer. Tap on the color button again and change the color on the color disc to purple or whatever color you would like. Draw a smaller purple heart on top of the black heart. Drag the purple color dot inside of the purple heart to fill in the color. Click on the Layers menu button and the plus sign to add a third layer. Tap on the color dot again to change the color to a lighter shade of purple. Now draw the highlight on top of the purple heart. Drag the lighter purple color from the color dot to the inside of the heart's highlight. Click on the Layers menu button, then uncheck the background color box to erase the background. Tap on the wrench and share, and under Share Layers, tap on PNG files. Now you can email it to yourself, or you may want to airdrop it if it's a larger file. Go over to your email address and find the email. You're going to find each layer of your heart in your email separately, so you're going to have to download each layer one at a time. Open up Cricut Design Space and click New Project. Now click Upload and Upload Image to find the 3 layers of your heart. Then click Browse to locate your files. Once you've located all your layers, choose the first layer, then select Open and Simple Image. Since our image is so basic, we don't need to erase anything, so just click Continue. Select Cut Image, since we'll only be using our Cricut machine and we don't need to print anything. Repeat the same process for the other 2 layers. If you're into Cricut projects, then you should definitely check out my custom tumbler cup I made in my last tutorial. Select all 3 images, then click Insert Images. Change each layer to a separate color so that it's easier to tell them apart. You can do this by clicking on each layer, then clicking on the color box to change the color. The black heart is going to be our bottom layer, so we're going to resize the black heart first and then make the other layers small enough so that they fit onto the black heart. Move the black layer to its place all the way in the back. Change the size of the highlight to a smaller size. Move the highlight to the front. Continue adjusting the size of all the layers until you get the look that you want. Now put a sheet of black 8.5 by 11 cardstock paper on your mat and smooth it out. Click the Open button and the Load button to load the Cricut mat into the Cricut machine. Set the dial to cardstock. Go back to your computer and click on the Make It button. Hit the Go button on your Cricut machine and it should start to cut out the first layer of your heart. Press the Load and Unload button to release the mat. Repeat the same process for the second layer of the heart and for the highlight. Now, to be fair, I am not a graphic designer or a Procreate expert. I just happen to be a Cricut enthusiast. So I just wanted to share with you guys what works best for me. But if you know an easier way, feel free to let me know in the comment section below politely. Also, if you found any value in this video, hit the like button and subscribe to get more videos like this. And you can check out my website at DeAnnCreates.com. After you have all 3 layers cut out, you can glue them together with regular school glue or any other kind of adhesive that you have. And there you have it. We've turned our Procreate drawing into a Cricut cut file. So until the next video, I hope that you continue to add a little more creativity to the world. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and keep coming back because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.